A spoonful of heaven, discovering the delights of kheer. This traditional Indian dessert is a true celebration of flavors and textures. Kheer is a dish loved by many. It's creamy and sweet with a rich history that dates back centuries. You can serve it warm or cold, making it versatile for any season. It's perfect for any occasion, whether it's a festive celebration or a simple family dinner. From family dinners to big celebrations, kheer is always a hit. Its comforting taste brings people together. It's a classic dessert that everyone enjoys. The joy of sharing kheer is unmatched. The creamy texture is simply divine. Each spoonful melts in your mouth, leaving you craving more. The sweetness is perfectly balanced with the richness of milk and the crunch of nuts. There are many different ways to make kheer. Each region in India has its own unique twist on this beloved dessert. This recipe uses custard powder for a unique twist, adding a smooth and creamy consistency. It's quick and easy, perfect for beginner cooks. You don't need to be an expert to make delicious kheer. You'll impress your friends and family with this delicious dessert. It's a sweet treat that brings joy to any gathering. Gathering the essentials. Your kheer checklist. Before you begin, gather your ingredients. This recipe is simple and requires few ingredients. Make sure you have everything ready. 1 liter full-fat milk, 1 cup sugar, 4 tablespoons custard powder, 1/4 cup chopped nuts, almonds, pistachios, 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder, and a pinch of saffron strands, optional. Having all the ingredients prepped will make the cooking process smoother. You can find these ingredients at your local grocery store. Now let's move on to the exciting part, cooking! Crafting culinary magic. A step-by-step guide to custard kheer. A delightful fusion of creamy custard and traditional Indian kheer. First, dissolve the custard powder in half a cup of cold milk. This step is crucial to ensure that the custard powder blends smoothly without forming any lumps. Mix well to avoid any lumps. Set this mixture aside for later use. The key here is to achieve a smooth, lump-free mixture. In a large saucepan, bring the remaining milk to a boil. Make sure to stir occasionally to prevent the milk from sticking to the bottom of the pan. Add sugar and stir until it dissolves completely. The sweetness of the kheer can be adjusted according to your taste. Reduce the heat to low and let the milk simmer gently. This slow simmering process helps in enhancing the flavor and richness of the kheer. Now slowly pour the dissolved custard powder mixture into the simmering milk. Pouring it slowly ensures that it integrates well with the milk. Stir continuously to prevent any lumps from forming. Continuous stirring is essential to achieve a smooth and creamy texture. Cook for about 5 to 7 minutes or until the mixture thickens to a creamy consistency. The kheer should have a rich, velvety texture. Finally, add cardamom powder and chopped nuts. These ingredients add a wonderful aroma and a delightful crunch to the kheer. Stir well and turn off the heat. Ensure that all the ingredients are well combined. Garnish with saffron strands for an extra touch of flavor and aroma. Saffron not only enhances the taste but also gives a beautiful color to the kheer. Let the kheer cool slightly before serving. This allows the flavors to meld together beautifully. You can enjoy it warm or chilled. Either way, this custard kheer is sure to be a hit with your family and friends. Section 4. Kheer Masterclass. Tips for texture and taste perfection. For a richer flavor, use full-fat milk. You can adjust the sugar according to your preference. To avoid a thick kheer, stir continuously while adding the custard powder mixture. If you prefer a chilled kheer, refrigerate for at least 2 to 3 hours before serving. Experiment with different toppings. You can use rose petals, dried fruits, or even a drizzle of honey. Section 5. Celebrations and kheer, the perfect pairing for every occasion. Kheer is a versatile dessert perfect for any celebration. Its creamy texture and rich aroma make it a favorite among many. Whether you are hosting a grand festive gathering or a small intimate dinner, kheer fits right in. It's a crowd pleaser that everyone loves. The joy of sharing a bowl of kheer with loved ones is unmatched. It brings smiles and creates memories that last a lifetime. Whether it's a birthday party or a simple family dinner, kheer adds a touch of sweetness to every occasion. It complements any meal and is a delightful way to end a feast. The rich aroma and creamy texture of kheer create a delightful experience. Each spoonful is a blend of flavors that tantalize the taste buds and leave you craving for more. It's a dessert that brings people together. Sharing kheer is more than just enjoying a sweet treat, it's about bonding and celebrating moments of togetherness. So the next time you're looking for a simple yet impressive dessert, Try this quick and easy homemade custard kheer recipe. It's easy to make and perfect for any occasion. It's sure to be a hit and leave everyone wanting more. The satisfaction of seeing your guests enjoy every bite is truly rewarding.